Hi guys, remember in my last video I was making brownies, so today we're gonna check them out and see how they turned out. But first of all, I am Jasmine, but I prefer for you to call me Jazzy Jazz or Jazzy Jasmine. And this is my brother Lucky Luke. Hi, my name is Lucky Luke, and we're gonna be showing you a video. So I'm 10 years old, and I like to share my creations and things that I like to do with you. So let's go check out these brownies. In my last video, I made them. You could also learn how to make them as well yourself. So make sure to go check that out. Whoa! Look at that. So it's like it turned out really good. We put Oreos on top, and we put like these chocolate sprinkles, and you could put anything you wanted on top. It looks so good. And it's quite big, actually. Yeah, that's quite a lot of brownie. I can't wait to taste it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Jazzy Jazz's Creations. Make sure to watch more videos, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications. That way, any new posted videos, you'll get them straight away. Bye! Thank you!